Let's talk about something that's absolutely critical in any business, keeping your people safe. But what if the way we've always done safety training, the dusty binders and the once-a-year check-the-box meetings, is actually putting our teams at risk? Today, we're going to talk about how to drag safety training out of the filing cabinet and into the digital age. We're turning it from a reactive chore into a proactive, strategic advantage.
So, take a second and think about your own safety program. Is it all about paper checklists, crowded conference rooms, maybe some ridiculously complicated spreadsheets? If any of that sounds familiar, you're not just a little behind the times, you're actually carrying a huge hidden risk. The old way of doing things just can't keep up anymore.
And the stakes? They are incredibly high. Just look at this number. Over $30,000. That's the average cost for a single preventable injury. And that's just the stuff you can easily count. What about the hit to morale, to productivity, to the trust your team has in you? All of a sudden, that training program doesn't seem like an expense, does it? It's one of the most important investments you can make.
I mean, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the old way. It's a logistical nightmare trying to get everyone in the same room. The information people learn, it just evaporates a few days later. And the paperwork, it's pure chaos. But then you look at the other side, the digital approach. It's flexible, it's continuous, it's engaging, and best of all, it's all backed by data. So you can see exactly what's working and what isn't.
So you see, this isn't just about being inefficient. It's really about an active growing risk to your entire operation. It's like a ticking clock. So let's dive into that a little deeper.
Let's get real about these problems for a second. Have you ever tried to schedule training for a team that's spread across different shifts, maybe even different locations? It's a total mess. And those annual lectures? Studies show people forget almost everything within a week. It's in one ear and out the other. Then there's the manual record keeping, a compliance officer's worst nightmare, full of errors and impossible to track. And honestly, in this day and age, a boring lecture just doesn't cut it. People tune out.
And the proof is in the pudding, right? Look at this data. It's crystal clear. Companies that get proactive with their training see a staggering 74%. That's 74% fewer incidents than the industry average. That isn't a minor improvement. That's a complete game changer for your company's risk profile. Okay, so if the old way is broken, what's the fix? Well, it all comes down to having the right digital tools. And your new toolkit is really built around two powerhouse systems, the EHS and the LMS. First up, your EHS software. The best way to think about this is as the digital backbone of your entire safety operation. It's the central nervous system connecting everything: incident reports, risk assessments, safety audits, and critically, all your training data. This is where you get a single source of truth for your whole program. Now, if the EHS is the backbone, the learning management system, or LMS, is the powerful engine that actually drives everything forward. This is the platform that delivers the training, the engaging courses, the quick videos, the quizzes, right to your team on any device, whenever it works for them.
And this is where the magic really happens. Your EHS software tells you what kind of incidents are happening and why they're happening. It gives you the hard data. Then, the LMS takes those insights and delivers the how, the specific, targeted training you need to stop those incidents from ever happening again. They work together perfectly.
Okay, so you've got the tools, but what's the actual payoff? What are you going to see in return? This next part is all about the tangible results, the stuff that makes a real, measurable difference to your bottom line. The numbers here are just wow. When companies go digital, they see a massive 30 to 50% drop in injury rates, but that's not all. You're also looking at huge gains in compliance, much higher employee engagement, and of course, real cost savings. It's a win-win-win.
But the benefits go way beyond just the safety stats. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how you operate. You get incredible flexibility, training that happens anytime, anywhere. You get real-time tracking, so proving compliance is just a click away. You get these powerful data insights that let you connect the dots between training gaps and incident trends. And yep, you save cold hard cash on travel, materials, and those really painful regulatory fines. And check this out. Here's a benefit that might actually surprise you. An IBM study found that new employees are 3 times more likely to stick around when they're given effective training. Think about that for a second. Investing in their safety isn't just about following rules. It's about building loyalty and keeping your best people on the team.
All right, so the benefits are pretty clear, but how do you actually do it? I know it can seem like a huge project, but if you have a clear plan, it's totally manageable.
So let's just walk through a simple 6-step plan for a successful rollout.
Okay, step 1. And this is non-negotiable. You've got to get leadership on board. Show them the clear return on investment. Step 2, really take the time to figure out what you need before you choose a platform. Then step 3 is planning. What are you going to teach and how will you move your old stuff over? Step 4, and this one is crucial, pilot the program with a small group first. Work out the kinks. Step 5 is all about training your people on how to use the new system. And finally, step 6, monitor your data. Always be looking for ways to improve, and please, don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way.
So if you follow these steps, you'll get the right technology in place. But this whole shift, it's about so much more than just new software. It's about changing your entire philosophy, your whole mindset when it comes to safety.
Here's the ultimate goal. You want to transform safety from that once-a-year, check-the-box chore into a continuous, living, breathing part of your company culture. It just becomes something you do, not something you have to do. It's part of your DNA.
So in the end, it really all comes down to this single question. Is your safety program going to be reactive, just waiting around for bad things to happen? Or is it going to be proactive, using technology and data to stop them before they even start? The choice has never been clearer, and honestly, the stakes have never been higher. Which one are you going to choose?